Good morning, boys and girls. Sorry I can't be there in person, but I do have a fun step-by-step drawing for you. What you'll need for today is a piece of paper, something to draw with, and all of that fun imagination that I know you have. So I have, just so you can see it really easily, I'm going to be using a marker, but you can use your pencil or a crayon, color pencil, or whatever you have around you. Okay, so what we're going to be doing today is we are going to be drawing 3 snakes. 1 will be here, 2 will be here, and 3 will be here. But we don't see anything yet because we need to get started. So I'm going to start right over here. And what I'm going to do is right here, I'm going to draw the letter C. Now, I know that you guys are learning how to write in Miss Stewart's class. So, can you do this? You draw out your letter C now. After you've done that, what I want you to do is draw 2 horizontal lines. Now remember, horizontal lines mean that they go from side to side. So my first horizontal line is going to look like this. And it's okay if it's a wiggly or a little jagged like mine. It's absolutely okay. Just try your best. Your second horizontal line is going to go across. And again, it's okay if it's wiggly. We're drawing snakes today, so sometimes they like to slither. Then I'm going to end it with a small curve line, just like that. So that's our first snake. And now let's do another one. Our next one, let's do a backwards letter C. So that just means that that letter C is going the other way. Now, we're going to do 2 more horizontal lines, but this time let's make it curvy. Okay, remember our curved lines? So now we're going to go down and up, down and up. Let's curve it around so our second line, we know where to stop. All right, here we go. All right, we're going to go down and up, down and up. There we go. That looks like a little bit more of a slither, right? So our last one, let's make a letter C, not backwards, but forwards. Oh. And it's okay if your C's look different. Just keep going. All right, so I'm going to do another curve line here. So we're going to go curve and up. And then we're going to go curve and then end it with a curved line. Now, how do we tell the difference between the bottom and the top of the snake's head? What should we add? A face? I think that's a great idea. So what we're going to do is we're going to draw an eye. So you draw a circle and then another circle inside. Now, you can make the snake look happy, sad, mad, or surprised. I'm going to make my snake happy. Now, let's make another snake. Now, as we know, there are snakes all over the world and they all look different. So maybe this one has long lashes. Maybe. Yours doesn't have to have it if you don't want to. This one maybe looks a little bit nervous, right? Now for the last one, what kind of expression will you make your snake have? I think I want it to be happy. Now, when you're decorating and designing your snake, you can make it look however you want. If you just want it to be one solid color, you can. If you want to add a pattern, you absolutely can. For the first one, I'm going to add a pattern. Now just remember, when we're adding patterns, they can be lines, shapes, or colors. I'm going to start mine by using diagonal lines. Do you remember how to make a diagonal line? It's not up and down vertical, it's not horizontal, it's right in between the two. And then maybe inside my lines, I'm going to draw some circles. I want 3 circles in each section. If you're following along, how many circles will you use? It's getting smaller. Oh my goodness. Now, for our second snake, what should we do? One color or do some shapes? I think I might want to do some shapes. I'm going to draw a triangle. And just remember, triangles have 3 lines. 1, 2, 3. If you're doing triangles too, just take your time and do your best. I'll make sure I'm nice and close. 1 line. Notice it's just like the snake up here, diagonal lines. 1 line, a diagonal line going the other way, and a horizontal line to complete it. Okay, so that's 2 snakes. Now what should we do for the last one? I think I might make curvy lines. These are different type of curvy lines. These are also called spirals. And you can make as many different shapes, lines, or use whatever colors you like to create your snake. I can't wait to see what you create. Until next time, have a great day.